Hello YouTube, it is Pocket Gangster here back with another video. I've missed you all so much. I hope you are having a fantastic day. Today we're going to be talking about the Mercury Mastercard and if it's the right fit for your wallet. But before we begin, if you love this content and you want to see more, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel so you can be a part of my Pocket Gangster family. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Let's dive in. Now, if you've never heard of the Mercury Mastercard, don't worry. It's invite only, meaning you will get the offer in the mail, and when you remove the fake card and you peel it off, they'll give you a code to enter in on the website. Now, this is where it kind of gets tricky. I don't have a lot of information to provide for you because it's invite only, obviously. Now, they do say there's a rewards program, but again, I can't tell you any information because I have not applied. There is 0 annual fees, meaning it is free to use this card, but I only get 1% cash back. Now, besides the point of them offering 1% cash back, other companies are going to do that. It's $0 to use the card, which is cool. You ask for my personal opinion. Basically, what I'm going to say to wrap up on the video is that this card looks cool, but it also is kind of enticing you to sign up out of desperation. Because you follow me on this channel, I know you know better. We have to pay our bills on time and in full in order to increase our credit scores, and we also are not going to be tricked into paying 28% annual interest rate on a card that's going to put us more into debt. Now, again, I can only go off of what I got in the mail. Other than that, if you know someone or you have used this card yourself, let me know. Comment down below and let me know your thoughts on this card. I am actually really curious. Other than that, what I would recommend doing is probably either getting Discover or Capital One. With Capital One secured cards, they have a card where you only have to pay anywhere from $49 to $99, and you can get a spending limit of up to $200. So there you go. That's some free knowledge. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you have the great rest of your day. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any more videos. And remember, give the video a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you all so much for watching. This is Pocket Gangster signing out. Peace.